Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
Hi guys, I'm Kanchan and welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess. So after a really long time and so much of procrastination, I am here to try some crazy new hacks with you guys. Yeah, some clothing hacks which we have been seeing all over the internet these days since long actually. So yeah, finally we are here to try those hacks. मैंने एक लिस्ट बनाया है कुछ hacks का जो कि मुझे थोड़े से promising लगे थे and we're gonna try that in this video. And very simple look and hair because of all this humid condition, and also I have to change like tons of outfits. So yeah, for that we are keeping it all simple and let's move on. And so yeah, without any more blabbering, let's quickly move on to the video and see if these hacks work or not. So yeah, let's do it. So the first hack that we are gonna try, I'm pretty sure कि ये आप लोगों ने काफ़ी जगह ऐसे देखा होगा, but yeah, let's try this one and see if it works or not. So for that we need a dupatta. I spilled everything. So yeah, we've got this old dupatta, a very normal dupatta. For this I have to take it in such a way कि इस one end को अपने दोनों straps, अपने strapless top के straps के अंदर से ले जाना है, and from both the straps obviously, and then making it equal at both sides. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, now it is equal at both sides. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, थोड़ा सा इसको पीछे से करते लगे, and अपने arms के around I have to take it in such a way, यहाँ से भी equal करते हुए, and I have to maybe like pin it or put a rubber band at the end. Wow.
You see a clear vision what's happening? Okay, फिलहाल तो मैं इसको roughly ऐसे कर रही हूँ, but yeah, let's just put a pin on the end, and let me do the same on the other hand also and get back to you. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back. Wow, I mean, you decide. How does this look, man? It clearly gives the vision of dramatic sleeves, which what we really wanted, and it does its job, man. What else do you need? I'm gonna have so many dramatic sleeves now. Maybe you can like put on a jacket over it and you're just done. Or maybe if you can't wear it in public अभी तो, because मैंने इसको काफ़ी roughly किया है, but if I do like proper अच्छे से तो we can achieve such look कि हम इसको public में भी पहन सकें, publicly भी पहन सकें. And I really love this. I can have so many dramatic sleeves in any top now, and I love it. So you should definitely give it a try. I love it, and it's good for photo shoots, man. Wow. Click a picture of mine. I love it, and it's a total win-win for me. So yeah, this hack totally passes. Okay, so the next one that we are gonna try is, maybe you have seen that one, okay, just by crossing the straps of a tank top, you can have a new tank top with the crisscross detailing. That's a cool one if that works. Maybe मतलब अगर उससे मेरा गला ऐसे नहीं दबता है तो that's a great one to try. So yeah, we're gonna try. We're just gonna cross the straps from this one to this one, and this one to this one. You get it, right?
Okay, so that's how I have already hooked the other strap on like the other hook, and the other
achieve this crisscross tank top wala look, and it has completely transformed my tank top. Really, man. पीछे से if you want you can make it. I have hooks wala tank top, that's why I could make it this way. Otherwise पीछे से भी you can make it. I've got a new tank top already in just 2 minutes. This hack does totally work, but this has such hooks wala issue. That's why it's not like looking good and all that issue. So with your tank top which doesn't have such hooks or something, you can try it and it will surely work. I've got my new tank top, so you can get your own. So yeah, this hack also does pass the trick and we give it a thumbs up. New tank top. So the next hack we are gonna try, and for that we need this simple t-shirt. बीच में ऐसे एक inverted kind of knot वाला look आ जाता है उसके करने से. We're gonna get a crop top, that too with inverted like something in between. So yeah, that's a little hard to explain how I'm gonna achieve that. मैंने अभी उसको देखा था. If I get some video clip of that, I'll add it on screen. So taking this t-shirt in such a way, नीचे से ये space हमने ऐसे यहाँ से पकड़ा, and this side I'm gonna put through and flip. Okay, अभी ये कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, and let's figure it out and let me just wear it. Let's just figure it out. Okay, so थोड़ा सा clear होने के बाद ये ऐसा दिख रहा है. Both the sleeves are here and inverted thing in between. Let me just try it. Damn. So that's how this top looks. I can obviously pin it up a little bit here, थोड़ा सा इसको और modest बनाने के लिए, but damn, I've got a new crop top. So I figured it out. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था इसको figure out करना, but I've got a new crop top with such trendy design. I literally wear this t-shirt to bed these days, you know, and I've got a new crop top with that. क्या मतलब मैं भी जाऊँगी? हाँ मतलब मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं बस try कर रही हूँ. Okay, I can literally just pin it up to make it a little bit more modest. और ऐसे भी ठीक है, कुछ ऐसे revealing नहीं लग रहा है. Definitely with high-waisted jeans only. So yeah, थोड़ा सा back पे अजीब situation है, because I couldn't pin it up by myself. So yeah, you definitely have to pin it up for a little modest look. थोड़ा सा arrangements तो obviously hack है तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So yeah.
I love my new dog. It's green. I got a new dog. Oh god, I'll be great.
For the next hack, similar kind of ऐसे top पाने के लिए we're gonna do ruching. Okay, so we are gonna take this shoelace. Yes, as a shoelace. अभी मैंने किसी के जूते से निकाला है. बाद में डांट पड़ेगी तो पता चल रहा है किसका जूता था. So what we have to do is ये shoelace को ऐसे अंदर से निकालना है and kind of ऐसे ruching detail बन जाएगी इस top में, and with that I can wear it as an off shoulder also and I'll get a new top basically. So let's try it on. तो हम थोड़ा सा ऐसे cinch करेंगे and we're gonna tie it. A new ruched top, ruching detail top. You can obviously do off shoulder thing or not. That's your wish. With a simple t-shirt that I'm wearing to bed these days, I'm getting new tops, man. Wow. Now the next hack that I'm gonna try is related to a t-shirt again, but इसको हम उल्टा पहनने वाले हैं. How? Let's see. मतलब उल्टा ऐसे उल्टा नहीं, और the neckline उल्टा नहीं, but जो नेक पोर्शन होगा वो हमारे टमी पे आएगा. And this is how I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it this way, ताकि ऊपर से मेरा सर से ऐसे ये नेकलाइन ये बने. Let's quickly try that and see ये हो क्या रहा है. So we have a new crop top again. Ta-da! यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कि ये तुम्हें किस तरह रखना है. मुझे ये ऐसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, नॉर्मल लग रहा है. एंड आई गॉट अ न्यू क्रॉप टॉप अगेन. बट कीप इन माइंड फॉर दिस हैक, कोई ऐसा टी शर्ट लेना जो कि नीचे से नेक, मतलब नीचे से नहीं, नेक ऑब्वियसली यहाँ से था, हमने इसको उल्टा पहना है, जिसका नेक थोड़ा सा वाइड हो, सो दैट यू कैन एडजस्ट इन दैट. अदरवाइज वो नीचे नहीं आने वाला है और तुम अपना टी शर्ट बेकार कर दोगे. So yeah, this hack totally works too. I love it. I've got a new crop top again. So back again, and the reason why I didn't do any makeup or hair today, because इतने कपड़े बदल के already हालत खस्ता हो गई है. Okay, so the next hack, we are gonna take a tank top, spaghetti top again. वो आजकल ऐसे क्रिस क्रॉस लाइक यहाँ पे क्रिस क्रॉस टमी पे स्कर्ट समथिंग कुछ होता है. तो बेसिकली वी कैन वेयर अ कैमी एज अ स्कर्ट दैट सेज दैट with a crisscross design detailing on your waist. So let's try that. Let's see how that's gonna work. Let me just wear it. Basically ये भी वही नेक डिटेलिंग वाला थिंग है टैंक टॉप के लिए, जो क्रिस क्रॉस वाला. तो अगर कोई भी टैंक टॉप है, यू हैव टू मेक इट लाइक दिस एंड इसके थ्रू यू हैव टू गो इनसाइड इट एंड वेयर इट एज अ स्कर्ट. सो लेट्स ट्राई दैट. ये भी हुक्स वाला है, सो आई कैन वेयर इट एंड डू इट आफ्टर वेयरिंग. सो लेट्स ट्राई कि ये वर्क करता है एज अ स्कर्ट और नॉट. हाँ, सो this is how this tank top wala skirt gonna look like. Definitely looking good at this point. ये criss cross detailing बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब ट्रेंड में है and अच्छा लगता है, but it's definitely not like wearable outside. Photoshoots के लिए, एक दो pictures के लिए it's quite okay. At home only, because tank tops are made to be worn as tank tops, right? So स्कर्ट खरीद लेंगे अलग से. बट या फॉर दिस डिटेलिंग, फॉर योर पिक्चर्स ओनली, यू कैन ट्राई इट एट होम. बट सो आई डेफिनेटली कांट चेंज अगेन टू माई जॉगर्स एंड देन चेंज अगेन टू अनदर हैक. सो अभी यहीं से हम दूसरे हैक की तरफ चलते हैं, विच इज यू कैन गेट अ न्यू ड्रेस राइट नाउ इन 2 minutes. आई विल शो यू हाउ. सो दैट प्लाजो ड्रेस ट्रेंड इज very popular and you all might have like seen it all over the internet. So yeah, we are gonna try that, and this print also looks good, and if this works then I'll surely have a great new dress. So for that what you have to do is एक साइड के पैर में मुझे इसको पहनना है. Let me try it right now. And this how only in the one leg I have to go inside. The plazo should be stretchable, keep in mind that thing, and keeping it till here, ठीक है. and the next one जो ये अलग से leg part है, either I can keep it this one sided thing. It's got a new dress and that's how it looks. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I just got a new dress with a great print and the length is also amazing. I like the length. But थोड़ा सा ये ज़्यादा ही loose something लग रहा है. If you don't want to try it like that, then what you can do is you can pull your head through this. मतलब इसको हम neckline बना सकते हैं. Wait, let me show. ये चीज़ मैंने इसको सामने ले आया and I can pull my head through this and I can make it. Wow, can you see that? I just got a new sexy great fits like a glove dress. I am going gaga with this hack, man. I mean, please do tell me कि अगर मैंने ये pictures इसको पहन के ऐसे pictures डाल दी होती, then तुम लोग रिकग्नाइज करते इसको ये प्लाजो है या नहीं. वाओ, आई लव इट. इट्स स्ट्रेचेबल एंड फिट्स मी लाइक अ ग्लव. सो यू डेफिनेटली नीड अ स्ट्रेचेबल प्लाजो पैंट्स. एंड अब ये डिस्कार्डेड से वापस से मेरे क्लोजेट में आने वाला है प्लाजो, बट एज अ ड्रेस. सो थोड़ा सा अगर आपको इसको और स्टाइल करना है, यू कैन मे बी टेक इट अप विद अ बेल्ट, अ नाइस बेल्ट, एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. You don't need a new dress. Go find an old plazo. And obviously no need to mention जो sleeve हमने अभी ये neck detailing बनाया है, इसको हम पूरा केवल ट्यूब टॉप बना के उस sleeve का बेल्ट भी बना सकते हैं. So yeah, I didn't really like that idea, but this is how it surely does look like a new dress. So I love this one, and yeah, do give it a try. Okay, so let's try the very popular and last hack of the video, which is a backless top from a cami. And for that उसके लिए हमें obviously एक cami चाहिए ऐसे, and एक लंबा सा shoelace या string. अभी मेरे पास ज़्यादा लंबा shoelace तो था नहीं, तो मैंने 2 को ऐसे tie कर दिया है. जुगाड़ ही कर रहे हैं अभी तो वीडियो में. So yeah, इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, ऐसे इस शूलेस के वन एंड को दोनों स्ट्रैप्स के थ्रू लेके जाना है, और लाइक दिस मिडिल में आके देन इसके थ्रू हमें अपना नेक रखना है, मतलब गले में ले जाना है, एंड दैट्स हाउ. ओके, अभी पीछे जाना. सो विद दैट बीइंग डन, इसको हमें यहाँ पे लेके आना है, एंड this end will go through this side and will come from the other end. So yeah, this is how, and same on the other side as well. Quite confusing, and I'm not sure if this hack is gonna work or not. काफ़ी Instagram पे तो ऐसे reels पे viral हो रखा है. Okay, so this is the situation so far. ये straps पीछे जाएंगे, and this is how it's gonna work. और पीछे से we will tie it like this, and after all the adjustments being made, this is gonna work as a backless top. So let me just quickly wear it as per the situation. अभी तो ये बिल्कुल भी promising नहीं लग रहा है, but let's see. Okay guys, it does work. This is complete backless top that I've achieved from a cami top, and not gonna lie, I like it, but yeah, it does like seem a little weird wearing it on camera like this. Guys, I swear to God, it does work. I feel a little weird because it's definitely way too much backless, and I've tied it very securely, like काफी tight मैंने इसको बांधा है, and I love it. Okay, with just a twirl, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I like it. No peekaboo situation happening, and I love it. काफी tight मैंने इसे बांधा है, so you can work with it with a definitely greater cami. And थोड़ा सा अगर कुछ अच्छा cami top है, material है, तो और भी अच्छा ये बन के आएगा. So yeah, it's a win-win. So yeah, with that we are done trying all the hacks in the list, and we have seen कि कौन सा hack काम करता है और कौन सा काम नहीं करता है. So yeah, we are done with that, and I really hope you like this video. It was much of a hustle to change so many outfits in one go, and that too इतनी गर्मी में. So I hope you consider that, and do give it a thumbs up to the video. And yeah, share this video with all your friends and let them try these crazy hacks to get such new good clothes from old ones. Yeah, it's a great hack, and definitely a good time buster. So yeah, do like the video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and let me know what else I should try, some hacks or maybe anything else, whatever you want. So yeah, comment down below which one was your favorite, and yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.